Hey there, animal lovers! Welcome back to the channel where we dive into the wild world of the most fascinating creatures on Earth. Today, I've got something special for you. 10 amazing animal secrets you probably didn't know. So sit back, relax, and let's get started. First up, did you know that dolphins give each other names? Yep, these intelligent creatures use unique whistles to identify and call out to one another, just like we do with names. Imagine swimming through the ocean and hearing your friend call you from miles away. How cool is that? Next, let's talk about octopuses. These extraordinary creatures have not one, not two, but 3 hearts. 2 of them pump blood to their gills, while the third pumps it to the rest of their body. And get this, when an octopus swims, the heart that delivers blood to the body actually stops beating. Mind-blowing, right? Now here's something touching. Elephants mourn their dead. These gentle giants grieve for lost loved ones, sometimes even returning to the bones of deceased herd members to gently touch and examine them with their trunks. It's a heartbreaking reminder of how emotionally complex animals can be. Hold on to your hearts for this one. Sea otters hold hands while they sleep to keep from drifting apart. They often form large floating groups called rafts, which can include hundreds of otters all holding hands. It's one of the cutest survival strategies in the animal kingdom. Let's not forget about crows. These birds are incredibly smart. They can use tools, recognize human faces, and solve complex puzzles for food rewards. In some experiments, crows have even shown the ability to understand water displacement, a skill that puts them on par with young human children in terms of intelligence. Now meet the nearly indestructible tardigrades, also known as water bears. These microscopic creatures can survive in the most extreme conditions. They've been found in volcanoes, deep-sea trenches, and even outer space. Tardigrades can go without food or water for decades by entering a state called cryptobiosis. Talk about resilience. Sloths might be slow on land, but did you know they're surprisingly adept swimmers? They can hold their breath underwater for up to 40 minutes by slowing their heart rate. This nifty trick helps them avoid predators and travel through flooded forests with ease. Here's a fun one. Parrots don't just mimic human speech, they can actually dance. Studies have shown that parrots can move to the beat of music, adjusting their movements to match the rhythm. It's like having a tiny feathered dance partner. Ever heard of an immortal creature? The Turritopsis dohrnii jellyfish has a unique ability. It can revert its cells to an earlier stage of life, essentially restarting its life cycle. This process can happen over and over, making the jellyfish biologically immortal, at least in theory. And finally, let's talk about dogs. These loyal friends can read human facial expressions and even sense emotions like happiness, sadness, and fear. Studies show that dogs can differentiate between positive and negative emotions just by looking at our faces. No wonder they always know when we need a cuddle. Nature is full of surprises, and animals continue to amaze us with their intelligence, resilience, and unique behaviors. Which fact blew your mind the most? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an adventure with us. See you in the next video. Stay wild.